Welcome to Candyland! You are now a piece on the board game of Candyland. Candyland has been infiltrated by the devious Lord Licorice. Lord Licorice has been jealous of King Candy for years. While everybody has been distracted by the pandemic of COVID-19, Lord Licorice sneakily locked King Candy inside his own castle. Without King Candy to keep Licorice from running amok, peace within Candyland has been disrupted. Play the game with the roll of your boxed dice to find letter clues throughout each land that will unlock the castle. You will help King Candy put an end to Lord Licorice's mischief. Lord Licorice's putrid black licorice has gummed up the gumdrop forest. It's time to weaponize marshmallows with toothpick spears. Throw your fierce weapon. Once you have popped one of the foul licorice balloons, retrieve the first of 5 letter clues. With the gumdrop forest safely cleared of Licorice's presence, roll your way toward the next land. Take the advantage of crossing Rainbow Bridge if you are fortunate enough to land on it. Peppermint Forest is its own obstacle to overcome. Crawl under the peppermint arch, but don't displace the peppermint candy or you're doomed to repeat it. At Nutty Grounds, you'll find things are pretty nuts. The next clue is below ground, trapped in a peanut. Using a special peanut detector, carefully skim the surface to reveal where a peanut is buried. Crack it open to find your letter. Licorice Lagoon is a dreary place monopolized by beastly black licorice. Navigate your way around the lagoon to find a unique symbol upon one of the black licorice. Once you find it, look at the symbol key to find where your next clue is. In Lollipop Land, we've been suckered out of our clue. What harm can it do seeking for this clue? Perhaps you'll have to pat your head and rub your tummy. Or hop on one foot. Or sing. Oh, it says sing the ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P.
With a bit of luck, you'll land on the correct spot. Continuing on the path in this life-size game of Candyland, you'll be treated to an ice cream cone at Frosting's Palace. Do not be deceived. Your search for this clue will be messy. What is the 5th letter in the alphabet anyway?
Yummy!
Now to the locked door at King Candy's castle. If you have dutifully followed the path, you should have 5 letters. Arrange them to spell a word that would distract Lord Licorice long enough for you to unlock the door. Success! This is what was in King Candy's castle in our adventure. You have freed King Candy from Lord Licorice's lock. Now the land will be filled with sweets and harmony. For more info on how to make a life-size Candyland game, click on this link. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun party ideas.